In this final example, we'll be summarizing these addresses. Now, we will come across a problem that we'll have to take care of, and I'll show you what happens when your routes or the summary mask is too expansive. It actually includes too many addresses. So the easiest thing to do, we don't have to break it out into a binary format. All we have to do is find the octet where the numbers are changing. That becomes the first octet where the numbers are changing, and that becomes the octet of interest. And as you can see, the numbers in red are the numbers that are changing here. So that octet is the octet of interest, and we just have to break out that one to see where the bits actually stop matching. And if we look here, we can see about 4 bits in, we see where the change is actually taking place. So let's go and draw our line right there. So we'll just draw our line right down here. And great, what we can do with this is take this out and summarize this 192.168. The first one was 0.0 with a /20 mask. And this will work. Absolutely it will work. But there's a problem here. Because if you look at this, we're saying we have about 9 addresses or 9 routes that we know about. Well, within 4 bits, the 4 bits that we have right here in red on the right-hand side, there's 16 possibilities in those 4 bits. So remember, 2 to the 4th equals 16. Well, what that means is when we advertise this out, we're not only saying that we know about 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're also saying that we know about network.10 and network.11 and .12 and .13, all the way up to .15, which we don't have. We don't have these networks. And so that can cause a conflict for us. And we want to be able to get around that. So in this case, what would be the prudent thing to do is to actually look at this and say, okay, well, the first bunch of networks really match up until that 3rd bit. These two down here, they are crossing over into that 4th bit. So what we should do to make this work better is summarize these networks out with a /21 mask, and then these 2 networks we'll just leave at their default mask, because to try to summarize them out would actually, once again, grab more networks than we want to.